How to change theme on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change theme on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and then click these 3 points and stop and click settings, and here you will find account and not account, this one, chats, and here you will find theme. If you want to change it to light mode, all you need to do is just select light mode and click OK, and you can select dark mode again and click OK, and that's it. It's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.